Question: why Israel shocked by new US UFO airplane? There are multiple reasons for this new UFO airplane. We know the United States and Israel are friends and help each other in difficult situations. Mostly United States help Israel with new advanced technology, but the question is which factor is involved in behind. Not every country want to improve its technology, so in this video we will explain step by step. The US Air Force has just made a major announcement that has stunned the world. Known for pushing the limits of technology, the Air Force has revealed the capabilities of its latest aircraft, which resembles a UFO. After hearing this news, Israel and other countries are shocked. After years of keeping their project secret, they have now unveiled a technology that challenges everything we once believed. What is this announcement that has taken everyone by surprise? Could this UFO be connected to extraterrestrials? Join us as we delve into the United States' new UFO-like aircraft, a development that has sparked curiosity around the globe. Back in 1955, the CIA, US Air Force, and defense company Lockheed Martin selected a remote spot in the Mojave Desert, about 80 miles northwest of Las Vegas, to start testing and developing the most advanced aircraft of the time. For decades, this area, known as Area 51, didn't appear on any maps, and the US government never admitted its existence. Because of the high security surrounding the experimental aircraft tested there, rumors of UFOs, captured aliens, and other mysterious activities have swirled around Area 51 since the 1950s. Although no alien-made UFOs were seen over Groom Lake, we now know that many advanced and unusual aircraft were developed and tested there. From Cold War U-2 spy planes to experimental Star Trek-inspired crafts in the 1990s. One of the most intriguing aircraft developed at Area 51 during the Cold War era was the U-2 spy plane. Initiated in the early 1950s, the CIA launched a covert project, named Project Aquatone, to design an aircraft capable of soaring at 70,000 feet to evade Soviet radar. By Clarence Kelly Johnson, the visionary behind Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works. For high-altitude flights, engineers required a specialized fuel that wouldn't evaporate, which led Shell Oil to develop a unique low-volatility kerosene using byproducts typically found in fly sprays. U-2, capable of flying at 70,000 feet in any weather and day or night, managed to stay undetected during missions over China, Cuba, the Soviet Union, and Vietnam. It even played a role in conflicts in Afghanistan and Iraq, contributing to NATO operations. Over its more than 50 years of service, the U-2 has undergone several upgrades to meet modern demands. The U-2 has 000 pounds of thrust, allowing the aircraft to reach incredible altitudes and operate above enemy radar detection. In 1955, the CIA launched Project Aqueduct to find a secure and covert location to test the U-2. This search led to Area 51 becoming the perfect spot for testing highly classified aircraft. The U-12 had a unique Cobra-like shape and was first sent to Area 51 in 1962 after being transported from Burbank, California in a special $100,000 trailer. Despite efforts to keep it secret, reports of UFO sightings around Area 51 increased in the 1960s. The U-12 achieved a sustained speed of Mach 3.2 at 90,000 feet and began flying missions over Vietnam and North Korea in 1967. magazine in 2013, and the project aimed to create a perfect engine that could handle such extreme speeds without issues. Which uses both a turbine engine for slower speeds and a scramjet engine for high speeds. This system allows the aircraft to transition smoothly from slower speeds to incredibly fast speeds. To handle the intense heat generated at these speeds, developers are considering using special composite materials made from carbon, ceramics, and metals. Area 51 remains a critical location for testing new aircraft and technologies that will shape the future of air defense and reconnaissance. The US was able to understand and counter the capabilities of its adversaries more effectively. One notable operation occurred in the late 1960s when the US Air Force managed to obtain a Soviet MiG-21, one of the most advanced fighter jets at the time. This aircraft was carefully studied and tested at Area 51, allowing US engineers and pilots to uncover its strengths and weaknesses. The insights gained from this project helped shape future American aircraft designs and strategies. The secrecy surrounding these years, rumors continued to circulate about alien spacecraft, captured extraterrestrials, and mysterious government projects. Despite these stories, Area 51 remained a focal point for advanced aviation and defense research. Fast forward to modern times, the US Air Force continues to push the boundaries of aerospace technology, with many believing that Area UFO-like aircraft be purely terrestrial in origin, or is there something more mysterious at play? As speculation grows, one thing is certain: the US Air Force's advancements in technology continue to challenge what we know about flight and defense, keeping the world on edge as they unveil their latest innovations. From the U-2 spy plane project continues to impact the present, with the US military remaining at the forefront of aviation technology. As we look to the future, the possibility of even more advanced aircraft emerging from the secretive desert facility continues to captivate and intrigue. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting content. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. We can't wait to hear what you think.